Hi guys, welcome back to Very Love's Fashion Channel. Thank you for your love and support. And if you are new, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't equally forget to put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Today's class is going to be an interesting one. In this video, I will show you how to cut and sew bust pleat skirt. It is very simple, and these are the materials we'll be needing. We need our scissors, we need our zipper, and this is African print fabric that we'll be needing. So we need just our waist circumference and our skirt length. So the skirt length I'm working with is 30 inches and the waist circumference is 31. So because we are going to plait it, we are going to multiply our waist circumference by 3, which is 31 times 3. By the time we multiply 31 by 3, we have 93. Remember, we are putting zip, so our zipper allowance will be 2 inches, one at the right side and one at the other side. So everything will be 95 inches. So we are going to cut out 95 inches fabric out of this fabric. So I'm going to cut it out, then the length will be 30 inches. But because we'll be having band, I want my band height to be 2 inches. So you remove 2 inches from 30 and you are left with 29 inches. But remember that we are going to fold it down. Since we are going to fold it down, I want what I will be folding at the down to be, okay, let's say 2 inches as well. So meaning that instead of cutting 32, I'm going to cut 30 when we remove the band, which is 2. So I'm going to cut it out now and show you. We are cutting 95 by 30 inches. So I've cut it out. So I've cut it out and I've hemmed the down. It is always advisable that you hem it down before you start pleating. So I'm going to we'll start pleating now. And I want the width of my pleat to be 3 inches. So I will mark 3 inches also. First, I will mark the zipper allowance that we have added. So we'll start marking 3 inches. We'll mark 3 inches all through. So I've marked it all through, both at the upper part and at the down part. So what we are going to do is we'll take the first mark and place it, fold it on the zipper allowance. We hold it like this, hold it down as well, and fold it on the zipper allowance. And you secure it with pin. Because I've marked it down, it will be very easy for me to fold. Let's secure it. So we'll take the second one and fold it on the third one. As I'm doing now, as you can see, we fold it on the third mark. Ensure that the back is this way. So you take the next point that you marked and fold it to this side. You secure it with point. Do the same at the down. Take the next mark and fold it on the other one here. It is very easy to make. You just need to mark out your points. You see how it down. And see that our skirt is taking shape. We are seeing the pleats. Take the next mark. Fold it to your left. Always do it both up and down. That's why I mark the two, both up and down. Take this one to the right. Up and down. Take this one again to the left. Whatever you do to the upper parts, you do it to the down part as well. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Take the next one, and that is how I will do till the end, and I will press it and show you. So I've pleated all the lines and I've pressed it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to attach our zipper. Before then, let me show you the band. The width of this band is 5 inches, and I've folded in 0.5 at this side and 0.5 at this side, and that's, we are left with 4. When you put it on fold, you have 2 inches. So to attach our zipper, you fold it this way. Before you do that, you will stitch the upper part here so that it doesn't shift from where you have ironed it, and you remove the down part as well. At this point you can remove the down part, but the upper part still leave it till you finish stitching the upper parts. Let me just remove the down part. So I'm taking it to the sewing machine now, fix the zipper, attach our band, and I will show you the skirts. Here is the outcome of our pleated skirts. You can see how beautiful it is. So simple, beginner friendly, and you can make it in less than 30 minutes. So try it out and let us know how it is in our sewing. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Bye.